need to get some ice cream, Pumpkinella. Hurry up, Miss Percy. Okay, I am. I'm just gonna get some soda. Yeah.
Hey, you cut us.
What? You aren't even all the way behind her, so I thought you were saving me a space because I look like you.
No, why would you think that?
Well, because, Kooky Cookie, the famous gold Shopkin, is that you?
What? You're a grocery.
Well, yeah, of course I'm a grocery. You're a Shopkin.
You're gross.
You're shop.
No, I'm a Shopkin.
Well, anyway, we just want to get some ice cream. We're not here to cause any problems. Hey, Missy, you Pumpkinella, you cut me.
No, you cut me, so I got my spot back.
Oh my goodness, these Shopkins think they own this Shopkin land. We do own this Shopkin land. That's just the way it is. What are you groceries doing here? Oh, hello everybody.
Not more.
Hi you guys. Oh good, our gang is here. Nya, 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 nya.
Oh, great.
What? Did somebody call me? I'm Gooey Smooch. They call me the kissing bandit because of my lovely lips.
Oh, don't tell me she's gonna try and kiss me. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Oh, no. I'm just going to kiss my boyfriend here, Mr. Smelly Bean.
Well, okay.
All right, what's going on here? Can we get some ice cream, please?